Hello everyone, in this video we'll look at what an activity means in Android app development and as well as the activity life cycle, and we'll see some examples of what activities are. An activity is a page in an app, so that single screen in an app is an activity. So if you have noticed, in most programming languages like C, C++, Java and even that, so a program starts from the main function. There is a sequence of callback methods that starts up an activity and a sequence of callback methods that tear down an activity. When the app is launched, the first method that is called is the OnCreate method. Then when the activity that was created from the OnCreate method, when it becomes visible to the user, then the onStart method is called. Then when the user starts an activity with the onCreate callback method, resume method is called by the Android system. Then if the user should navigate to another activity, that is another screen in the app, then the paused activity is called. And the paused activity does not receive user input and cannot execute any code, and called when the activity is being paused and the previous activity is being resumed. So also we have the onStop method, and this onStop method is called when the activity is no longer visible. And also we have the onDestroy method. The onDestroy method is called before the activity is destroyed by the system, which so definitely the destroy method is the last method in the app, just like the onCreate method is the first method that is called by the Android system. So we also have the onRestart method, which is the last method I'll talk about. The onRestart method is called when the activity restarts after stopping it. Like if a user should navigate to another screen, if you click a button or whatsoever, any widget on the screen, and you navigate to another screen, and actually when you navigate to another screen, the activity where you are before, the previous activity gets paused, so the on pause method is called in that activity. Then the onStart method is called in the new activity. When you navigate back to the previous activity, the onRestart method is called to restart the previous activity which left earlier. So that is the activity life cycle. Okay, now let's look at three examples. Okay, so we have come to the end of this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, kindly please subscribe and hit the notification button to get notified whenever a new video is released. And note that all links are in the description below, so always check the notification, the description below, sorry. And see you next time, see you in the next video. Bye for now.